first was this one first. Let's try to. Oh, got it open. Let's try to. Here we go. Oh, I got it open. Now, oh my gosh, slime. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so gooey. It's open. Gosh, look at this slime. Okay, we're gonna put that back. Oh, so gooey. Okay, now let's open the next thing. Let's open these eggs from China. Open, it got plastic on it. Oh, I cracked it. Whoa, this is so cool. It's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur, like it's a volcano one. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now let's open the next thing. Okay, I got it open. Did it? Wait. Oh, there's not more slime. Actually, no. Oh, I opened the same one. I just opened the same one. The same one. I bounced it open. Let's just put this one right there. Yeah. Let's open this one. Okay, I got it. Oh, it's not on my hand. Take that off of my hand. What is? Whoa! I always wanted to try these. It's a dinosaur, but with foam. It's that foam. I always wanted to do these. Okay, let's put that back. Put this right there. Now see the next thing to open. What else there is? Is this? Okay, let's open this one. Yeah. Oh, I got open. What's this? Whoa. Open this. It's a little hard to get out. Oh. Whoa, this is sick. I know what is this for. It's a head, but put this. I'm supposed to put the dinosaur one. And it's in my hand. Okay, I'll fix that. What else there is? Okay, I found one more egg. Got an egg? Okay, let's open this egg. I got a little egg right here in my hand, so let's... Oh, where is it? What came out of it? Oh, this is a little, like, volcano board. That's pretty cool. That's actually rather cool. What else? There's another egg. Got the egg open. Ooh. What the freak? Oh wait, monkey doesn't wear any pants. Let's put this back. What else? Let's see. Here's one more stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got open. What the heck is that? What the? Oh, it's a tail? What is? Oh my. Oh my gosh. It's Play-Doh in there. What else is there? Any ghost? I already got that. Ooh, we got one more egg, then the video's over. Open this. Oh, there's a volcano right there. Oh, wait. I forgot, there's one more thing. What is this? Ooh, there's a volcano. But with, like, dirt. So, we got that open. Just open this. Okay, that was pretty cool. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay. No, let me just open this. Okay, I'm gonna try to open it. I almost got it. It's almost open. It's kind of really hard for the plastic. Whoa. Try this knife. Alright, 1 second. Oh, now if you heard that someone would just call me, you have to mess up the video. There. I had time I was on my first ever video. So yeah. Who's got this? This is the hard stick. Let me go to the, like a real knife. Give 1 second. So I have got it open. What's this? Is in here? Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a volcano dragon. Like a pig, like, oh, it's a wolf. This is sick. Wow, that's a very cool thing. It's super cool. So, is there anything else? What's that? Oh, wait. Oh. We still got this, map. I think it's for the, like, best, toys. So, let's see, I guess. Oh my gosh, I heard it. Okay. We almost got it. Oh, here we go. Open this. First map. Open Otis. Oh no, these are for a truck and for the toys. Wait, this looks very big. This looks like a big map. Oh. I think this is the right one. And also, well, that was it. Well, see you in the next video.